In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an SSL certificate on Cloudways. If you've just connected a custom domain to a new site on Cloudways, this is one of the first security tasks you should complete. Without an SSL certificate, visitors may see a browser warning saying the connection is not private. The good news is that Cloudways makes this process simple with built-in Let's Encrypt support, so you can secure your site without buying a separate certificate or using command line tools. First, before installing anything, make sure your domain is correctly pointing to your Cloudways server. Log into Cloudways, open the Applications area, and select the website you want to secure. In Access Details, copy the public IP address, then go to your domain registrar or DNS provider and check your DNS settings. Your main A record should point exactly to that Cloudways public IP. This matters because Let's Encrypt needs to confirm that your domain really connects to your server. If you recently changed your DNS records, give it some time to fully propagate before moving forward. Otherwise, the certificate request may fail. Once DNS is ready, go back to your Cloudways application dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click Certificate. On this page, make sure the certificate type is set to Let's Encrypt, then fill in the required fields. Enter an active email address that can receive important certificate notices. In the domain field, type your root domain in a clean format, such as yourdomain.com, without extra prefixes or slashes. If you also want the certificate to cover the www version of your domain, click Add More Domains. A new field will appear where you can enter the additional domain variation, such as www.yourdomain.com. This is a useful step because many websites need both the root domain and the www version to be secured under the same certificate. After that, click Install Certificate. Cloudways will handle the validation and installation process automatically in the background. In most cases, this only takes about a minute. When the installation finishes, you should see a confirmation message along with the certificate details. Next, look for the auto renewal option and make sure it is turned on. This is important because Let's Encrypt certificates expire regularly, and automatic renewal helps keep your site secure without manual work. Finally, open a private or incognito browser window and visit your website. Check that the site loads over HTTPS, that the padlock icon appears in the browser, and that there are no security warnings. This final check helps confirm that everything is working correctly before you send traffic to the site. And that's it. Your Cloudways website should now be protected with an SSL certificate and set up for ongoing renewal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next